Oh no, what color are you gonna pick? Grr. Ooh, you lucked out. Good morning everyone, happy Vlogmas day 4. I've got another little festive type outfit on. I am decorating my house today. I'm really excited, big surprise. I just keep saying that. It's taking me way longer than expected, but I'm getting it done, so come and join me while I do a bunch more house decoration. So I'm continuing the black and green type of theme into this corner of my kitchen. I've got black, kind of like pewter, and green balls, and the tree is like an antique gold tree, and then I've got the big velvet black bow and lots of plants, and I've even got a little baby black tree down there too. Hung up some lights around the edge of the window, and I also hung these pretty little sparkly guys, and now I'm going to attempt to hang these around this window. We'll see how that goes. We live in Minnesota. We're not able to use our outdoor pillows the whole winter, so these were just going to sit in my storage outside, but I decided our living room pillows needed a huge redo, and I ended up throwing them all away because the kids brought them outside, and long story short, we needed new pillows. So instead of purchasing tons of new expensive pillows, I'm just going to put these pillowcases onto those pillows, and they will be great for winter and Christmas. We're in the drive-thru. We, as in little miss, I need a pup cup. Pup cup? Yeah. So we're gonna get a little bit of lunch because I have to do the dishes, and I don't have time for that right now because I'm trying to get this decorating done as fast as I can before the kids get home from school. So we're just gonna have a little snack, and then we're gonna go home and we're gonna finish decorating. Actually, it's really nice out today, and I kind of want to go for a walk. Do you want to go for a walk? A pup cup and a walk? Okay. Say please. Is it good? This is an ice cream pup cup. This one's colder. She likes whipped cream better, but she's not picky. So now I'm going to be decorating, oh hey, my fireplace, and this is all of the potential ideas that I have to use, and this is the area that I will be decorating. I said fireplace, it's a faux fireplace, but I might also be incorporating a bunch of stuff that's already up there, and or switching it all out and using some of this. So let's see what I decide to do. so much for joining me today. I got a lot of decorating done. I didn't record everything because I just had so much going on. I'm trying to speed through it so I can actually get it done before Christmas. And editing all these videos is very time consuming. But I think this year's fireplace mantle is like my favorite one I've ever done. I just love it so much. I'm so happy with it. I like to change up my mantle, my tree, basically all the spaces that I've been decorating. I change them up a little bit each year. The bathroom, the mudroom, whatever. And I do like little bits of different color schemes and like I always use my same decorations and just kind of move them around to different areas because I just like to change it up. I think it's really fun. Of course, I always DIY something or numerous things, and usually I'll pick up a few cheap items as well. I usually decorate my bedroom too, but I don't know if I'm going to this year. I've so far only put up the wreaths and I'm changing my bedding. Only got a couple more spots left that I wanted to decorate this year, and then I'll be done. So I'm ready to start wrapping presents. I'm exhausted, but I'm having fun. So I hope everybody enjoyed this Vlogmas with me, and make sure you come back for the next one so you can see the last spots that I'll be decorating. Have a good night.